He is in bed. He is in bed. My birthday is in September. My birthday is in September. We queue up in a line. We queue up in a line. They are sitting in groups. They are sitting in groups. The plane is taking off. The plane is taking off. There is a bird's nest at the top of the tree. There is a bird's nest at the top of the tree. I arrive at school. I arrive at school. He is good at swimming. He is good at swimming. Lily and Kent are in conversation. Lily and Kent are in conversation. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It is 12 o'clock at noon. It is 12 o'clock at noon. It is 9 o'clock at night. It is 9 o'clock at night. It is 5 o'clock in the evening. It is 5 o'clock in the evening. The cushions are on the sofa. The cushions are on the sofa. He is wounded in his leg. He is wounded in his leg. She is looking at the moon. She is looking at the moon. He is knocking at the door. He is knocking at the door. We go on a picnic in spring. We go on a picnic in spring. The flowers are in full blossom. The flowers are in full blossom.